สวัสดีค่ะ
Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Going for a walk down the main Sukhumvit yet again in Bangkok. Let's see what we can find. Yep, it's Friday night, people everywhere. Bangkok really comes alive at night, I tell you what, all the lights, incredible, incredible. Yeah, motorbike on the footpath, beautiful. That's the way they do it here. It's all good though, I love it. Everyone's always happy, no idiots around. Everyone's just in a good mood. Great place to be. Bit of a crowd here. Local restaurant. Serving up some chicken. Don't know how fresh it is, didn't see any ice or anything.
Oh, food poisoning is no joke.
Well, each their own. Let's try and get through here. Get through. Sort of. There we go. Just click the thumbs up button, write a comment, let me know what you think. That'd be great, because it really does help. I'd appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Alright, there we go. This will be interesting. Cross over here. Cross over here. Don't get skittled. Bloody hell. Alright, safely across. Oh, check out this hairdresser dude out the front. See him? That's pretty cool. Focusing on the road. Hopefully you can see. Hopefully you're still watching. If not, fast forward to the good bits. Easy car. It's just the Lexus building. Want a brand new Lexus? Come here and grab yourself one.
Whoa, you have a Lexus?
I'm sure they're expensive. I'll pass, thanks anyway. Right, coming up to some shops and stuff up here now. See what we can find. This is Soi 18. Nothing going on down there. Shit, look at the size of these mangoes, man. Bloody hell.
Mangoes. You love mangoes.
Plenty of tailor shops. I'll pass for a suit, thanks. Anytime you'll see me wearing a suit, is that a bloody wedding or funeral? Hate the damn things. Just outside the exchange tower, okay. Cool. Oh, the food smells so good. We're at Rama now. It's the exchange tower. Let's quickly cross if we can slip through. Yes, we can. Just. Oh, it's green lights all the way. Bloody hell. Don't think that's ever happened. Let's go. Cool bus, man. Now on the other side of where Terminal 21 is, you can see over there, people crossing left, right and centre. Go across here. Let's go for it. Through. Oh look, Jet's Fitness, 24-hour fitness here. Many people in there, let's have a look. Quick look-see inside there. Ugh, windows could do with a clean. Oh, there's a few people in there, nothing too good. Not that busy.
Yeah, so we're just outside Soi Cowboy now. This is the back end of Soi Cowboy. A few people out and about tonight. It's pretty good down there, pretty lively. He's done alright. Looks like he's done well for the night. Closer look. Yep, he's off. Getting a tuk-tuk, and off he goes. So that's the back end anyway, so you can go for the main end, which is at the other end, but this one's a bit safer. Alright, back down, heading down Sukhumvit now. Just going past Tops Daily, just past Terminal 21. Hello? Yes? Quite busy tonight actually. Like I say, it was about 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. There's a few people out and about. A lot going on. A few people around. Hard to walk, so a straight line anyway.
I've never actually walked down this soi before. So, let's have a quick look. I don't know what it's going to be like. Pretty average so far. I don't even know what the soi's called, guys. Sorry. Just thought I'd walk down here, see what's going on. I'm not sure. Last Nana Boutique Arcade. Speak up. Oh. Looks very Arabic, actually. I'm not really sure. What's down there? Let's go have a look down there, shall we? Oh, is this the Arab soi? You've got really good food here, from what I've been told. Oh yeah, Suda. Looks nice. Yeah, I heard this is pretty good actually, this joint. Money exchange. You need to get some money out. Oh, is this the other soi for it? Oh, this looks a bit bigger. Oh, hello. What have we got here? Have a look down here. Oh, wow. This is pretty cool. Yeah, Massage and spa. Jamal. Hello, sir. How are you? This actually looks all right. What's down here? Anything, or is this a dead end? I think it is. Must be a dead end.
George, you are dead wrong. Dead wrong.
I think so. Go down here as well. It's a whole big section of Arabic and Lebanese food and stuff like that. It looks damn beautiful. Looks so nice. This is awesome. This is cool as. Seafood bamboo. Very good. Let's walk back this way. See where this takes us. No, thank you. Well, this is something different, guys. Don't normally walk down this part of neck of the woods. But I'm glad I did, because I'll be coming here for food next time, I think. Fantastic place for food. I haven't walked down here, have I? Little alleyways everywhere. Man, these paths and roads are rough. Oh, let's drive through. And 5. And now we're back out onto Sukhumvit, I think, the main Sukhumvit. I think. Yeah, looks like it. Alright guys, that was just a quick video. Something different. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to give us a thumbs up, like the video. Doesn't cost you anything, you don't have to join up. Simple click on that thumbs up button makes a massive difference. Thanks guys. Have a good night. See you all in the next one.